Time for your ABC 36 Storm Team forecast.
Welcome back, meteorologist-Dillon-Gaudet here. We are tracking 2 to 2.5 days worth of strong to severe thunderstorms. Today we have a level 2 to level 3 risk of severe weather, just depending on where you're at. A level 3 risk out for the entire state as you head into your day tomorrow, and especially tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. All types of severe weather are possible, from damaging wind gusts to large hail. The possibility of strong tornadoes is also there late this afternoon into your evening hours today, and then again into Wednesday afternoon and evening. Tomorrow, better chance of seeing flooding rain than today, but still some localized flooding concerns could be possible. Right now, Viper radar showing scattered to widespread showers and a lot of lightning with these storms just to the north and the west of Lexington. Zooming in on the storm right over top of Frankfort. Heavy downpours there just north of I-64 as you head towards downtown Frankfort itself. Notice just to the west, this storm moving through Shelby County, moving eastward, could produce some hail there where you're seeing that pink. That's the possibility of hail. Head just to the south of that, good looking storm there to the west of Danville into southern and southwestern portions of Boyle County, extreme northeastern Casey County, getting ready to move into western Mercer County as well. All these storms could produce some strong wind gusts, also some small hail possible within these. This is from that line of storms that moved through Missouri, Oklahoma, Kansas last night. It's starting to fire up some more storms out ahead of it. That's what we are experiencing right now. Looking around the region, the front is still well to the west. So yes, we're seeing these clusters of storms right now, but the second round will fire up as this front moves eastward later this evening into the first part of your overnight. So your severe weather threat today, areas north and west of Lexington included in that level 3 risk, where southeastern and eastern Kentucky included in a level 2 risk. Damaging wind gusts, the primary concern with the possibility of some large hail. Isolated tornadoes definitely possible as well, especially north and west of Lexington. So let's time things out through the rest of your day here with Futurecast. You'll see that round of showers and thunderstorms moving through. We get a little bit of a break, still watching the possibility of some isolated storms developing as that first round moves on through. Those could be strong, especially as you head late into the afternoon into the early evening. We'll be watching each of those individual cells because the atmosphere is really volatile right now, and any of these storms could produce rotation and also large hail with the damaging wind gust threat on top of that. So those will be working through late in your day today. Right around sunset, that wave pushes through. And then we'll be watching the possibility along that cold front I was talking about of another round of storms. That'll be later into the overnight through around 2-3 o'clock in the morning before that dissipates, sets the stage for what's to come on Wednesday. Today's tornado threat, again, areas north and west of Lexington, we have that hatched risk for tornadoes, meaning EF2 or stronger tornadoes are possible across our northern and northwestern counties. We're definitely watching that 10% risk of a tornado within 25 miles in that yellow. And then once you have the hatched, that means it could be EF2 or stronger. So your severe weather threats today, medium risk for damaging wind gusts, tornadoes, large hail. Flooding risk a little lower today than what it will be as you head into the day tomorrow. And here's a look at that severe weather threat. All forms of severe weather are on the table, including the flash flooding risk with the widespread level 3 severe threat. So heading into the day tomorrow, starting off quiet in the morning, but watch as these storms fire up. Futurecast moves these storms a little bit further northward than some other models. They keep those in the Lake Cumberland region south and westward, but still, all of these could be supercells producing the threat of tornadoes, the threat of large hail, and damaging wind gusts. So tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, you really want to make sure you are staying weather aware because these storms are going to have a ton of energy to work with. Then another line of storms moves in late Wednesday evening. That will pack it a punch in terms of damaging wind gusts and some very heavy torrential rain with some rotation possible within that. Thursday morning, we finally start to get a break, and that will continue throughout the day on Thursday. So your severe weather threats Wednesday into Wednesday night. High risk for damaging wind gusts, large hail, medium threat for tornadoes, and that medium threat for flash flooding. You want to remember, make sure you have a way to receive weather alerts, whether that's watching us here on ABC 36, your wireless emergency alerts on your phone, our live stream when we do coverage. Important to note about outdoor sirens. Those are intended for people outside, not indoors. So if you are indoors, you need to make sure you have at least 2 of these ways to receive those alerts. Here's a quick look now at your full 7-day forecast. Warm and humid today and tomorrow, leading to that storm threat. Storms possible into eastern Kentucky early Thursday, and then we're left with that cooler and drier air for the weekend.